Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you need to undo a reconciliation within QuickBooks, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very quick and easy process. So let's jump into it. First of all, check your user access. QuickBooks Online accountants users can undo reconciliations with one click. Standard users must manually edit each transaction individually. So let's go to Accounting, Reconcile, and History by Account, and then select the specific account and the period to review your past reconciliations. In the History by Account, locate your reconciliation and click the drop down which will be in the action column and select Undo, and then confirm that decision. You can now open your chart of accounts. You can click on View Register and click each transaction. Change your status from R, which is reconciled, to blank, and save each change individually. Something to note, undoing a reconciliation impacts all the following months. So always process in reverse chronological order and thoroughly check for errors before confirming any changes that you make.